Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be creating this very like glam bridal-ish look today using Nastasha Denona's new Biba palettes. It is a pretty penny, so if you have a palette or even colors that are similar, you can definitely use that to achieve this look today. I think it's a simple look. It's nothing too dramatic, but it's a glam look. It's a glam look. So if you guys are interested and are curious about this palette, keep on watching. Alright, so let me just start. My eyes are primed. I use the Urban Decay primer potion. FYI guys, FYI. I think I'm gonna go at, I really want to do like a smoky eye. Is that too much though? Alright, we'll do something else. So I'm gonna take the color Freckle. Actually, I'm going to take the color Tusk, and I love, this is a really nice, like nice neutral color, beige color I would say. I'm going to take Dusk, and I'm going to take it with the fluffy brush, and I'm just going to dust that all over my eye as a base for the rest of the shadows. Go ahead and do this side. Ooh, I'm so excited. So this palette is $129, and I know it seems outrageous for some of you. You're like, what? I would never ever pay that much for an eyeshadow palette. That is just ridiculous. But honestly, if you break it down into each individual shadow, and you guys can see the size of the pans here, you break it down, it's $8.66 per shadow. So I know some individual shadows run for about, can run up to like $25 or $30. Those NARS individual shadows, the shimmery ones, they are very expensive, so you kind of get your money's worth in the end. And if you want to set aside money, like $40 a week, in like 3 weeks you'll be good. You'll get yourself a Natasha Denona and you will never go back to regular shadows. Never, I'm telling you. So now I'm going to go in with Freckle, which is like this beautiful color right here. It's like a soft brown. I'm going to take another brush, and this is the Morphe M441, and I'm just going to take that all over into the crease. So I'm just going to buff that color, and I love how easily they just blend out like butter, you know, and the color is still there. I didn't really take a lot. I just lightly dipped into the palette as so, and I add the color. So this is going in my crease, and I'm also buffing this upward because I'm going to use it as a transition. Let's see what look I end up with today. Okay. So now I'm gonna, let me just take a little bit more Freckle. Buff they out. So pretty. So pretty. This is like amazing. I love this palette. Love it. Oh my god. You see that? Can you guys see how like so beautiful, beautiful, beautiful? Oh my god. I'm going to take some, do I want to do buff or do I want to do prairie? So I'm going to take prairie. This is like mustard yellow. Yes, and just add it in the middle here, going back and forth and buffing that out. Just adding more color to the eye. Lord, take the wheel. Yes, I'm happy with it. I lightly took it in just to add more warmth to the eye because I might go in with that black shadow and smoke my outer corner out. So that's beautiful. I love it. Who doesn't? So now I'm going to take my MAC 217, which is a little bit more pressed and dense for the crease to pat on some color. And I'm going to take the color Seed, which is down here. It's this beautiful brown, so that's like a cool tone brown, I would say, with like purple undertones. Maybe not. No, I don't know. I don't know what I'm talking about. Don't listen to me, guys. So I'm going to place that on the outer corner and bring it into the crease. If you don't know by now, I love brown smoky eyes. That is like my go-to. I can never stray away from that. I just love a good brown smoky eye. Alright, so I'm just placing this and blending this up. take a little bit more and just take it here. Ooh, I put that all on my eyelash. There we go. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Now this doesn't have to be perfect because we're gonna go in with the black. And if you mess up, just go back in with your buffing brush and just go in and clean. And just blend, baby, blend. Yes. Yes, I'm loving this. Oh, brow, what are you doing? That eyebrow was just trying to get me. Alright, so I'm just patting that in there. Yes, brown, yes. You guys see that? Oh my god, I can't. I love Natasha Denona. I'm never gonna go back to regular eyeshadow ever again. I'm a whole new person. I'm a whole new person. So now I'm going to dip into a shimmer and I'm going to put it all over my lid, and I can't decide which shimmer because they're all so beautiful. I'll show you guys the shimmers. Okay, you ready? Oh my gosh. All right, so ready, set. Yes. Like, do you see that? My god. Like, yes, yes, yes. Okay, so I can't decide. I think I'm going to take the one in the middle. The one in the middle is called Monroe. And then this one over here, Shine. And then this nice brown is Rustic. So I think I'm going to take Monroe. I'm going to take my flat MAC brush, duo brush, and I'm just going to dip into it. Very gentle, soft. I'm going to swoosh that onto my eye. Yes. Oh my god. I did not wet my brush, you guys. Did not wet my brush. No, sir. Jesus. Girl. So I'm going to dip back into the color Seed with the same MAC 217S brush. And I'm just going to define that crease a little bit because we do lose some of that color when we place the pigment. And oh, I'm living. If you want to do a cut crease and then put the shimmer over top, that works beautiful as well. Yes, girl. Okay, so because I'm going to do my eye with the other eye with this, I'm going to take the other MAC 217 and I'm just going to use that to press in the color Spot, which is the black. I can't even, like, seriously, you guys, I can't even. All right, ready? You ready for this? Black. Like, and that's like a small little swirl. This can be black, 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 like a good black. So I'm super excited to see this on my eye. I'm so excited. So I'm going to take the same brush, like I said, just clean brush. Oh, actually, no, this is a Morphe M433, which is similar to the MAC 217. So, lied. And I'm only taking a little bit of the black because you guys saw how black that is. And I'm going to take it in the outer corner and just buff that bad boy in. Oh my god. I didn't even take that much. You guys. Jesus, take the wheel. Jesus, take the wheel. Let's see how black this can get. Ready? Oh my god. This is where I'm gonna mess up for sure. Okay. I'm just creating a little cat eye there so that I don't... Ooh! Ooh! You see that? I'm just gonna take this and just really tug at that. Oh my god. You guys, I'm in love with this palette. You don't even know. You don't even know. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my finger a clean finger. I'm going to go with Monroe, and I'm just going to go ahead and add that onto the eye so you guys can see if there's a difference with brush or finger. I definitely think the finger always adds a little bit more pow to it. This is gorge. Oh my god. I'm dead. Deceased. Somebody call the ambulance. Put me in a fucking hearse. You guys, this eye is beautiful. I hope that it's really coming off. You can see it in camera. I'm just in love. That black is beautiful. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and finish the other eye, and then I'll come right back. Alright, you guys, so I went ahead and finished my eyes. I added on some lashes, and I'm using, these lashes are Kiss lashes. They are, I'm not sure the name of it, Mademoiselle or Miswell, something like that. You can find them at CVS or like at a drugstore or Walmart. They're beautiful. They're like just the right length, and they're just nice full glam lashes. I'm super in love with this look. Like, if you guys can see, just very sultry. This is actually reminding me more so of like a bridal glam look. So if you're into this look, I use the Natasha Denona palette. Oh my god, I love it. I'm in love. I did, however, I haven't used the grays. I want to do a look with the grays. So here's the look of the palette one more time. This is the color Monet. Yeah, Monroe. I use Monroe on my lid, and then I use Spot Black to like kind of just smoke it at the end. And then this beautiful brown seed. This color Prairie, which is like this beautiful brown, yellowy brown. It's so pretty, so pretty. And then a freckle tone, as well as Tusk all over. Tusk actually looks pretty good on the brow bone too. I don't like a lot of shimmer. If I'm doing shimmer on my lid, I don't like to highlight my brow bone. I like to use a matte color, so to kind of just brighten up that area. And that's what I did, and I'm loving the look. So if you guys love this look, let me know down in the comments below as well. I will be doing a couple more tutorials. I think I want to do a couple different looks with this palette, just to see how versatile and how many looks I can get out of this palette. Again, the price is $129. It is a hefty price, so if you don't want to feel like investing in it, there are definitely palettes with similar colors, but like I'm telling you, they're very buttery, they blend beautifully, and it's just like you get a bang for your buck, honestly. It is an investment, but if you save a little here and there, that's great. If not, if it's not for you, this is the you can find these colors anywhere, really, realistically. So you don't have to have this palette, but I'm just, you know, I really love it. I think it's amazing. I'm actually eyeing out this like brick color over here. So yeah, I might be doing another smoky, sultry eye, because you know that's my thing. So let me know, you guys, what you think of the palette, if you think it's ridiculously overpriced, or if you think it's worth it. I'm a makeup artist, and I think it's worth it. As a professional artist, I do think that investing in good formulas is a lot easier than having to work with certain products that just won't blend, that don't bat up to the job. You know what I'm saying? If that makes any sense. So anyways, I hope you guys like this look. Let me know what you think. And yeah.